They want to take the scenic route to get to the activities. I'm not trying that hill. Look at little Orel. Nah, I'm cool.
Nah, people really be out saying Nicholas Park always when it snows.
I say we, but I'm gonna be the only one either. Like, no, wait, let me get my time.
Sneakers. That's like...
Nini, we don't have boots. I think I'm about to put my phone away. I have water running down my screen of my phone.
Oh my god.
Oh! Aurel, I got that on. It's recorded.
So I'm not going up. I changed my mind.
Oh, Jesus. Whoa! That was a good landing.
Yeah.
You're almost completely covered now, Aurel. Stay alive in a big country. Y'all can take the stairs to go up like everybody else.
Nah, that's cool.
I can do that. Like, let me borrow one of them sleds, yo. As much as I want to make a snowball, the last thing I want to do is grab snow with no gloves. Oh! ¿Tú tienes frío?
Who are you talking to?
Oh! That was a nice save. Cool, old school sled.
I feel like this is safer.
Oh, you're lucky at your boots. Look at my legs. My legs are out here.
Yay! Okay.
Oh, whoa! I almost fell right on top of you.
Get the hell from behind me.
Those people at the top are waiting for some epic shredding.
Yeah.
They're trying to wait until they can get like a clear spot to move because they don't want to slide through a little kid. They go,
Well, I look like there's some instructor.
oh, babe, look, the dogs.
I did that and now all of a sudden I have to like poop really bad.
That dog likes snow. Look how happy that dog is.
Yeah.
Hey. Alright, freaking slows like needles.
Yeah.
Oh, sliding.
Alright, y'all ready?
For what?
Y'all ready for this? Oh, he's having a good time. Or she is, rather. Aw.
That's the size I want corduroy to be.
And what do they call the sizes? What do they classify? Are these letters or F?
F1.
F1.
F1B is like chocolate.
F1V, Cavapoo. Heard. There goes Aurel. Come on, make that angel, son.
No, I'm not doing that.
It's pretty cool.
No, I'm gonna go sleep on this.
Right. If you don't shuffle,
Oh, man.
Nice one, dude.
if you don't shuffle snow in your hand, it's actually pretty comfortable. Everybody, I didn't throw it at you.
Yeah, we doing that.
No, I was spinning.
I got hit with a mist of snow.
Okay, you ready?
Ready for what?
I'm sorry.
What? What happened? Nothing got on my face.
It is.
The glasses are protecting my face.
No, but you look like Santa Claus because it's in
Oh.
your eyebrows and your beard.
Oh, I want to spin too.
No worries.